Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abjure. 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 Abjure is a verb that means to solemnly renounce or formally give up a belief, claim, idea, or allegiance. It often involves making a sincere and public declaration to reject or disavow something. Examples: 1. After years of supporting a different political party, he decided to abjure his old allegiance and join a new one. In this sentence, abjure is used to describe his decision to formally renounce his previous political allegiance and join a different party. 2. She had to abjure her claim to the family's ancestral property in favor of her siblings. Here, abjure indicates her formal renunciation of her claim to the property in favor of her siblings. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.